Hi everyone, it's Coach Megan here. Just want to take a minute today and explain to you just how important Shakeology is and what Shakeology has done for me that has made me such a believer in the product. So I started drinking Shakeology about 7 months ago, and at the time I was exhausted. I had a toddler who given up on her naps and a newborn who thought sleep was overrated. So there was no option to sleep in. There was no option to take a nap. I needed energy. I needed a fast meal, and I needed it to be able to be portable and go with me whenever I needed to be at a doctor's appointment or go to the park and play. So Shakeology fit all that. It tastes amazing. It's full of superfoods that you can't get in an everyday meal. You can't get those foods in a typical meal or from foods in the grocery store even. It's been something that has not only given me the energy, but with continued daily usage or consumption, not using it, I'm consuming it, that continued daily consumption combined with clean eating. I spent 6 years on Crohn's disease medicine and I am medicine free. Um, I didn't have severe Crohn's. I had about moderate Crohn's, but I spent 7 years taking, or 6 years, I'm sorry, taking a pill every single day of my life. I took that pill in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. Slowly, it got down to where I took it in the morning and at night. And then once I started the Shakeology, I was like, I'm not having any symptoms at all. So first, I stopped taking my medicine at in the morning. I went down to one pill a day on my own, and then as I continued to see improvement, I called my doctor and said, "Hey, can I come in for a checkup? I don't think I need this anymore." So I went in to the doctor. I told him my story. I told him what happened. I told him the changes I've made, the way I was feeling, and he said, "You know what? You're good. If you're feeling as good as you are and you're seeing those changes, it's not uncommon. People are able to have these kinds of results when they pay attention to what they're putting in their body and they fuel that body with nutritious food. So thanks to Shakeology in helping me get to this healthy lifestyle, I no longer take Crohn's disease medicine. On top of that, I have something that tastes amazing. I can, make it a certain way to where it's thick like an ice cream. I can eat it like a spoon, like my dessert. I can shake it up with milk in a cup and run out the door in 20 seconds. And there's endless recipes. We made Shakeology ice cream on my daughter's birthday, and you know what? Ice cream went great with her cake. My kids love it. My husband drinks it. He loves it. It's his nighttime snack every day, and it's my breakfast. It's what gets me going in the morning and starts my day off right. So I can't say enough things about Shakeology. I feel better than ever, and I will attribute a huge portion of that to my daily dose of dense nutrition.